Hello guys, welcome to the installation of Studio Kook DIY Kook Bene side table. Hardware in the box: wooden dowels, screw-in dowels, Rastex, screw, and 20mm PVC legs. Required tools for installation: 1 hammer and 1 star head screwdriver. Let's connect all the hardware to the panels. Now, let's see how to fix Rastex to the panels. And one more important thing is keeping arrow towards hole. Now, using a hammer, insert the wooden dowels to all the panels properly. Now, using a star head screwdriver, attach all 20mm PVC legs to the bottom panel. Now, using a star head screwdriver, attach all the screw-in dowels to all the panels. After all the hardware attached to the panels, it will look like this. Now, let's start to the installation.